Okay guys, so let's get started with our high-waisted bikini, and I'm going to use cotton yarn, okay, and a 2.5 millimeter hook. Okay, so okay, to start with, okay, we're going to do our slip knot. Okay. And then we're going to chain 10. Sorry guys, that was very loud. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we are going to add 2. Okay, after that we are going to half double crochet. Okay, so skip 2 from 2 chain from the hook. Okay, and the third one, 1, 2, and the third one we are going to do our half double crochet, and then double crochet until half double crochet. Okay, to the end. And you are going to do this, okay, for a few rows, and I will get back to you when I'm done with my rows, okay, for the size that you will be working. Okay, with mine I will be working a size S. Okay, so after you've done that, what are we going to do is chain 2, okay, and turn our work and double crochet. No, half double crochet. Sorry guys, I always use double crochet, so half double crochet, half double crochet, okay, and do this, okay, for a few rows. Maybe we need maybe 10 rows of this. Okay, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done, and I'll let you know how many rows I've done. Hello guys, so I have done my 12, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rows. And now I'm going to start increasing. So chain 2, and then in the same chain here, okay, I'm going to put a half double crochet, and then normal, half double crochet until we get to the other side. Okay, and in this side here I am going to put 2 double crochet. So as you can see, it's starting to get bigger. Okay, so I will do that. I will increase. Okay, what I will do is increase and then normal and then increase and then normal, and then I will come back to you and show you how I've done or how many rows I've done. Okay guys, so what I've done is after I did the increase, okay, so what I've done is increase and then normal, increase, normal, okay, and I've done 4, okay, so increase, normal, and then after that I started increasing. Okay, hang on a second. Increase, normal, increase, normal, increase, normal. Okay, so 6 rows, and after that I've done increasing. Okay, so increase, so you can see this line. Okay, that is a beautiful line. So what I'm going to do now is just continue increasing, okay, until we get our length that we desire. Okay, so just work it out guys. So with our increase, okay, so chain 2, and then in the first chain, okay, we are going to do a double crochet, a half double crochet. Okay, so chain 2, okay, and in the same space, chain 2 in the same space, half double crochet, and then normal double crochet, and into our last, okay, into our last half double crochet we are going to put 2 half double crochet. That is our increase. So we're going to increase in this side and in this side, so in the left side and in the right side both increase, and then here just normal. Okay, so just continue that until you get your measurement, and I'll come back to you so we can do the back side. Hello guys, okay, so I am done, okay, with the bikini, okay, as I did in the front, okay, and here I did half double crochet for how many rows? Okay, so we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. Okay, so we have 28 half double crochet, and then the front we from 29 rows, okay, we did a double crochet. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, that is 14. And then let's go to the other side. Okay, so here what I've done, okay, is just double crochet. So I just did a double crochet, but to get this size bigger, what I've done is in the first stitch I put 3 double crochet, and in the last stitch 3 double crochet, and the next 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. So that is our increase. Okay, so you get that wider space here. So 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, okay, in both sides, and then 2 double crochet, then go back to 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and this one from here 2 3 2 3. Okay, and so we have that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11, we have that 3. Okay, and then after that 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 rows. Okay, so that is, here is just double crochet, 2 double crochet, so just 1 there. Okay, in the bottom here we had 3 double crochet, and then after here, okay, we just have 2 double crochet, so you can get that wider part here. Okay, so, and that's it. Okay, so with our edging, okay, so here, as you can see, okay, what I've done here is just half double crochet. Okay, so just half double crochet, half double crochet. What I've done is here in double crochet, so here in double crochet I put two half double crochet, and then here in half double crochet I did put 1 half double crochet. Okay, so 1 half double crochet each, and then going to the top edging. Okay, so we're going to the top edging. Okay, so what I've done here is shell. Okay, so in this corner I did put 3 half double crochet, and what I did is I count 1, 2. Okay, in the third chain I did double crochet, so we have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet, and then after that skip 2, and then in the third, okay, single crochet, and then from there skip 2, and then 5 double crochet again. So you are just going to continue that. So from the corner, okay, I did put 3 half double crochet, and then skip 2, and the third chain, okay, I did put 5 double crochet. Okay, skip 2, and then single crochet, and then skip 2, 5 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, and then single crochet, skip 2, and then 5 double crochet in the same stitch again. You just have to continue that all over again. Okay, so here you have to do the same, because I did continue all of these in one continuous yarn. Okay, so when you got here, okay, so when you got here, it's the same. Okay, so 3 half double crochet here, and then skip 2, okay, and the third, and then 5 double crochet in the same stitch, and then continue, skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet in the same stitch, and that is how I made our fan. Okay, and as you know that I did use a 2.5 millimeter hook. So if you're going to use a different, you know, a much bigger crochet hook, and then your finished project will be a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is a summer bikini bottom. Okay, hopefully guys you enjoyed the video, and then if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, if you like. Okay, no forcing, and click that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will upload a new video. Okay guys, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.